Alright everyone, so I caught this wolf spider today, and at first, I just wanted to demolish it. I completely hate spiders, but I thought I would face my fears. So I got a hold this little summer batch, got in this cup. Now we're gonna feed it to Sandor, because apparently he can eat spiders. My heart is racing a little bit, because I do not want to let this thing go and it somehow escape. But we're gonna drop it in here, and hopefully nothing goes wrong. Because if it does, I'm gonna lose my shit. Yeah, that's my boy. See you later, wolf spider. So tasty.